Oh,
Hi, my name is Kervin N. Cordero. I'm your student nurse for today. And may I know your name, ma'am?
Marielda S. Nolasco,
And your age?
15.
And we will do the assessment of abdomen, which is yung itataas mo yung mama yung damit mo. Then, i-check natin yung abdomen mo kung may abnormalities ba or wala. Then, can you lay down po? Now, I will observe some abdominal movement and the contour and the symmetry. And I will observe aortic pulsation of your abdomen. And I will now inspect for stray rashes of your abdomen. Okay na. After that, ma'am, we will proceed to the percussion and palpation of your abdomen. And I will now percuss each quadrant of your abdomen. Okay. After that percussion, I will palpate each quadrant of your abdomen. Okay. With that, ma'am, I will use the stethoscope to hear your bowel sounds or anything that have a normal sounds in your abdomen. After that, vasculating each quadrant of your abdomen, I will percuss it again. If like that. After that percussion, I will percuss your liver. After that, ma'am, I will strike your kidney, and can you please sit up? Tell me if it's there have a pain. They have pain, ma'am. Is there any pain, ma'am? After that, okay, ma'am. Cut. No.
oh.
After that, ma'am, can you please lay down again for palpation of your abdomen? I will put this again. And can you please? I will now palpate deeply. And I will now palpate your kidney. Other side. Is there any pain, ma'am? After that, ma'am, I will palpate your aortic abdomen. Okay, ma'am. And for the last assessment, ma'am, I will can I please touch your in the part of your inguinal, like yun dito po sa bandang private part nyo lang. Pero hindi naman po natatouch yung private part. Yung sa gilid lang po talaga. Okay lang po ba? Okay. Okay na. After that, ma'am, can you please sit up again and make yourself comfortable? Based on the assessment, ma'am, there is no abnormalities in your abdominal, and your lymph nodes are not inflatable or inflamed like that, ma'am. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you po, ma'am.